Hello students, today we are going to study the trigonometric ratio table. I have taken the values of theta 0, 30, 45 degree, 60 degree and 90. Ratios sine, cos, tan, cosec, sec and cot. There are 6 ratios. So let us find the values. Sine of 0 is 0. Sine of 30 is half, that is 1 upon 2. Sine of 45 is 1 upon root 2. Sine of 60 is root 3 by 2. And sine of 90 is 1. So these are the values of first line sine ratios. Now we are going to find the values of the second line, that is cos of 0. They will come in the reverse order. Sine of 0 is 0. You can remember this as cos of 0 will be from reverse order, 1. So it will be 1. Then sine of 30 is half. So cos of 30 will be from this side. It will be root 3 by 2. So it will be root 3 by 2. Cos of 45 will remain as it is. It will be 1 upon root 2. Then we have half. Cos of 60 will be half. Cos of 90 will be in the reverse order, 0. So it will be sine of 0 is 0, sine of 90 is 1, but cos of 0 is 1, cos of 90 is 0. So it is in the reverse order. Reverse order. Reverse order of this 1. Then we are going to find the value of tan. So tan will be sine upon cos. Sine upon cos. So we can find the value of tan 0 as sine 0 upon cos 0. So it will be 0 upon 1. So it will be 0. So the first value will be 0. Then tan of 30 will be 1 upon 2. I will do it here, 1 upon 2 divided by root 3 by 2. Divided by root 3 by 2. So it will be 1 upon 2. When this divided gets multiplied, this will be 2 upon root 3. This will be 2 upon root 3. So 2 will get cancelled and we will get 1 upon root 3. So tan of 30 will be 1 upon root 3. Tan of 45 will be similarly sine upon cos, 1 upon root 2 divided by 1 upon root 2, which will be equal to 1. Tan of 60 will be root 3 by 2 divided by 1 upon 2. Root 3 by 2 divided by 1 upon 2. Root 3 by 2 divided by 1 upon 2. So it will be root 3 by 2. This when gets multiplied, it will be 2 upon 1. So this 2 and 2 will get cancelled. So we will get tan of 60 as root 3. Similarly, tan of 90 will be sine of 90 upon cos of 90. So it will be sine of 90 upon cos of 90. So it will be 1 upon 0. But any number divided by 0 is not defined. So it will be not defined. Then cosec of 0 will be, so this we can write as, here we can write it as, cos is the reverse order of this first line, tan is the division of 1 by 2, sine upon cos, that is division of 1 and 2. Cosec of 0 will be reciprocal of sine. So reciprocal of sine will be, sine of 0 is 0 upon 1. So cosec of 0 will be 1 upon 0. So 1 upon 0 is not defined. So it will be not defined. Similarly, cosec of 30 will be reciprocal of sine. So it will be 1 upon 2. So reciprocal of sine will be 2 upon 1. So it will be 2. Similarly, cosec of 45 will be reciprocal of 1 upon root 2. So it will be root 2. Cosec of 60 will be 2 upon root 3. 2 upon root 3. And cosec of 90 will be reciprocal of sin 90, that is 1 upon 1. So it will be 1. Similarly, sec will be reciprocal of cos. So it will be 1 upon 1. So it will be 1. Sec of 30 will be 2 upon root 3. Sec of 45 will be root 2 because it is the reciprocal of 1 upon root 2. Sec of 60 will be reciprocal of 1 upon 2, that is 2. And sec of 90 will be 0 upon 1, reciprocal of 0 upon 1, that will be 1 upon 0, which is not defined. And the last is cot. This you can find as the reciprocal of tan, or you can do cot as cos divided by sine. So we shall write this here. Cosec is the reciprocal of 1, that is reciprocal of this sign. This will be reciprocal of 2, that is reciprocal of cos. And cot will be reciprocal of 3. Either you can do cos upon sine or reciprocal of tan. So I will write this as reciprocal of 3, that is cot will be reciprocal of 0 upon 1, that will be 1 upon 0, which is not defined. Reciprocal of 1 upon root 3 will be root 3 upon 1, this will be root 3. Reciprocal of 1 will be 1 upon 1, so it will be 1. Reciprocal of root 3 will be root 3, this is root 3 upon 1, so reciprocal of root 3 upon 1 will be 1 upon root 3. And last, cot of 90 will be not defined is 1 upon 0. So reciprocal of this will be 0 upon 1. So it will be 0. So this can be written as reciprocal of 3. So it is very easy to remember if you remember this. Thank you.